Hello everyone. Please turn on automatic CC in the settings at the top of this video. Easily bake fresh bread at home. I want to hear from you. Which bread should we bake next? Comment below. Let's start together. First, add 200 milliliters of warm milk. And add 20 grams of sugar. And now, add 7 grams of dry yeast. Mix well. Sift 100 grams of wheat flour. Mix until no lumps remain. Cover the dough for 15 minutes. Look, the dough has risen well. Let's continue. Add 1 egg white. Add 30 milliliters of vegetable oil. Mix thoroughly. And now, sift another 250 grams of wheat flour. Add 6 grams of salt. Mix the ingredients. Which country are you watching this video from? Please write it in the comments. Sprinkle some flour on the table. Keep kneading the dough on the table. If the dough is too soft, gradually add flour. Place the dough in a bowl greased with vegetable oil. Cover and rest the dough for 45 minutes in a warm place. After 45 minutes, the dough has risen well. Place the dough on the work surface. Form one ball from the dough. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Form balls from each piece of dough. Sprinkle the board with flour. Place the dough balls on the board. Cover the dough for 10 minutes. 40 grams of flour. 50 milliliters of water. Mix well. Roll out the dough. Roll out the dough to a thickness of 0.5 centimeters. Roll into a tube. Secure the edges. Roll out the dough a little. Press the edge. Let's shape the bread. Place on a baking tray. Cover and let rise for 10 minutes. Mix 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk. Brush the bread with the egg mixture. Create patterns with a pastry bag. Bake the bread in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The bread is ready. Your kids will love it.